Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Come and join the DIY band. A community that says, I can. You'll find inspiration and creative flair. With people who are always willing to share. Start by browsing through social media feeds. For tutorials and ideas that suit your needs. Join online groups and forums galore. And learn from others who've done it before. Attend a class or local workshop. Learn DIY tricks to make your project pop. Take part in DIY events and shows. To network and meet new DIY pros. The DIY community is a welcoming place. With enthusiasts from every walk of life and race. So don't be shy, go and get acquainted. Then you can say you investigated. Here are 10 ways to get better acquainted with the DIY community. 1. Attend DIY events. Look for local events related to DIY culture, such as craft fairs, maker festivals, or workshops. 2. Join online communities. Join online groups, forums, and social media platforms that are centered around your particular interests. 3. Attend maker spaces. Visit maker spaces in your area, where you can meet like-minded people and have access to tools and equipment. 4. Take classes. Take classes, such as woodworking, sewing, or welding, at a local community center or adult education program. 5. Attend DIY conferences. Attend national or international DIY conferences to meet others who are passionate about your interest. Learn innovative advancements. 6. Start a DIY project. Choose a DIY project that interests you. And start working on it today. You can share your progress and connect with others who are also working on similar projects. 7. Collaborate with others. Find others who are interested in working on a project together and collaborating on its progress. 8. Volunteer. Volunteer for events or organizations to get involved in the community and meet others. 9. Share your knowledge and skills with others by teaching a class or workshop on a skill you have mastered. 10. Start a DIY business. If you have a particular skill or product that you are passionate about, consider starting a DIY business and selling your products or services to others in the community. It's important to remember that the DIY community is all about learning and sharing knowledge, so don't be afraid to ask questions and seek advice from experienced DIY communities or individual enthusiasts. So why not take the first step and dive into the wonderful world of DIY today? Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and we look forward to your comments. We trust you will come back soon.